everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me again. I hope the wind doesn't make my audio too terrible. I'm also holding my door open because it's so windy. So I'll try and bring you guys in a little bit. But as you can hear, oh, the wind's blowing the gimbal too because it's that damn strong. As you can hear, let me move it in this way. As you can hear, we are at the track right now. We're at Gainesville Speedway. I'm getting ready to go up to the lane, start doing some runs. The Hellcat has, it's taped up. You can kind of see the number back there. Yeah, oh, it's gonna fall on my face. You see my number back there, so we're ready. So, I'll give you guys a little walk around footage of the show, and then we're gonna set up and get ready to go race. I know this car runs 11s. Y'all seen my last video, which if you haven't, I'll put a card in for it now so you can check out that video, see how bad I did on my first time at the track. This time, I'm hoping for better numbers. I'm hoping for 11s, and I'm also just here to have a good ass time. Hashtag, I'm not a professional racer. So, let's get into the staging lane. Let's pull off some races, all right? I'll see you guys up there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Moving up to stage right about meow. Unfortunately, the lane I wanted to be in, which you guys would have seen the car on the other side of me, has some oil slick in it from somebody who broke down. So, I'm not going in that lane. But, I still got the GoPro set up front, so you guys are going to be able to see it. So, shooting for 11s today, baby. Let's do it. Whew, first run, I'm nervous. Got those first run jitters, boy. We're not going to burn this one. To put it back in gear. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh well. 1420. Thank you, ma'am. All right, so first run of the day was obviously terrible. I think I got a 14 something. Let's just scratch that one from the record, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna get on point this time. We're gonna fucking do it the right way. I'm not gonna make any simple mistakes like that again, so stick with us. Ladies and gentlemen, the track is finally dry. The engine got a nice cool down from that rainstorm. So, now it's time for a little bit of redemption, you feel me? So, that last run was just terrible. It was just bad. I will be heating the tires up this time because they're still a little damp. So, got to get that dampness off and dry these babies out a little bit. But, we'll see how many more runs I can get in. We're still shooting for any portion of the 11, so y'all wish me luck. Hashtag I'm not a racer. We'll see how this goes. Stick with us. I didn't feel too good about that one either. Couldn't fucking put it in slapstick again. At least I fucking put it back in gear though. I don't know, we'll see.
1253.
Thank you, ma'am. Alright. Well, we're back in the 12, so that's good. Now we just gotta get that 11, baby. But hey, that's better than what it was before, so fuck yeah. I'm happy with it. But we're gonna strive for better numbers. You better fucking believe it, boy. Third run of the evening. Last was a 12.5, so already shattered the shitty run that I did at the beginning of the day before the rain. So let's hope for some quicker times, baby. Let's hope for some quicker times. I bet you we can get it. These Pirellis are pretty much on their last legs, but I think we can eke out a better time than that. We'll see. That's probably all driver mod too, but like I told you guys, I am not a racer, but we'll see what happens.
There we go, baby. There we go.
Let's see. That felt fucking good, man.
87.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so it felt better, but it didn't run better, so, oh well. That's alright. It felt good. I think I gotta dial it in a little bit faster though. I let it slowly build up, and then you guys could probably see when I stomped on it, so I think once I get off the line, I'll probably let it go. We'll see. Last run of the night. Time to beat is 12.5. That was my best run so far. the last run felt good, but I just did a little bit slower. I didn't dial it in enough, so I guess we'll see what happens with this one. So wish me luck, y'all. That one seemed a little bit slower, but hell, who knows? I don't think I'm giving her enough credit here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what this one did. But definitely good launch. Fair reaction, I think. We'll see. We'll see how it went.
1260.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. That's the quickest run of the night right there, 12:16. So we're getting better. I don't think they're gonna let me run another one, so I don't know, we'll see. But I think if I just give it a little bit more beans, a little bit sooner, I think we'll definitely, I mean, we're definitely gonna break into the 11s, but at 1:23, so yeah, we're definitely gonna break into the 11s. But at this point, you know, it's all driver mod, baby, so yeah. I think that's the end of that. I think we're done running, so I'll catch you guys when I take this helmet off and give you a wrap of how the show and the races went. So stick with us, YouTube. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. Last run of the night. You can see the Hellcat did its thing. We got some nice rubber on there. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. Tires, well, they look all right. There's still some tread left in them. She did me all right this time, so you saw it, 12-1. Oh, I'm a little upset about it, but I know we can do better next time. So we're gonna get there next time. 12-1, best run so far. So yeah, I think it's all. Oh, I see. Look at this. I got some tape peeling on this end, but you know, it is what it is. Got to protect that paint though. So 12-1, best run of the night. There goes some more people. They probably beat me. I know one Civic fucking launched his nitrous on me, so, but I know we can hit 11s next time. 12-1, that's gonna haunt me for a little while. So let's hope that Gainesville Speedway over here has his next test and tune day very soon. And maybe I'll be coming back with these tires, maybe I won't be. Maybe I'll send them off in the way they're supposed to be sent off. Maybe I'll have some new ones, maybe I'll have some radials. Who knows? But anyway, if you like this video, of course, give it a like. If you stop by for the first time, make sure you subscribe. And take care, YouTube. I'll see you guys in the next one.